Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to change the batteries on your Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. It's a super easy thing to do. All we need to do is come to the inside of the door. So it's not on the code side, the side where you put the code in. It's on this back case where you think. And all we're going to do is come in here with our two fingers and grab a hold of this outer casing on the inside and just pull that straight up, and it will slide straight up and it will expose the battery case, which is slid right down in here. So all that we need to do is come in here and pull the batteries out like this, and you can see the batteries are all lined up in here like this. All you got to do is pull those batteries out, pop new batteries back in the same order that you took them out. Then you're going to do the opposite. You're going to slide this back down in, and then you're going to come back to the casing, and you're going to slide the casing back down on top, and you're done. You have completed the battery replacement in your Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. Thanks a lot for watching.